Woo-hoo!
No, it's not. You can't hit. Dad, this is the hot spring, right?
Huh? No, the hot spring's way up. Gotta keep it nice and strong. That's really good. That wasn't the eye of the needle, by the way. Hey, Bobby, there are boats underneath us.
What, turned over boats?
Like this boat underneath us right now. About 20 underneath. Yeah.
Oh, pull us back, kid. Pull us back. That's close.
No, Dad, look, the hot spring's right there. Where's the hot spring?